Unleash the giant within, the power of your subconscious. Have you ever felt like there's a force within you, a hidden reservoir of untapped potential, a force so powerful it could change the course of your life? Dr. Joseph Murphy, in his groundbreaking book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, unveils this hidden force. He introduces us to the silent giant within us all, the subconscious mind. This book isn't just a self-help read, it's a roadmap to unlocking your greatest potential. It's about understanding the incredible power you hold within and learning to harness it for a life of abundance and joy. The silent partner, shaping your reality. Imagine your mind as a garden. Your conscious mind is the gardener, planting seeds of thoughts. Your subconscious mind is the fertile ground where those seeds take root and grow. Every single thing in your life, from your relationships to your health to your success, is a reflection of what you've planted in this garden. The subconscious mind doesn't judge or discriminate. It accepts whatever you impress upon it. If you constantly focus on negativity, fear, and doubt, guess what? That's what you'll experience. But here's the good news. The opposite is also true. Reprogramming for success, tapping into your subconscious powerhouse. Are you ready to take control of your mental garden and plant seeds of success, happiness, and love? Dr. Murphy provides a powerful toolkit in his book. He explains that the subconscious mind is incredibly receptive to suggestions. This is where affirmations come in. Positive statements that, when repeated consistently, reprogram the subconscious mind. Instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," try saying, "I'm capable and deserving of success." Feel the difference? Visualization is another potent tool. Vividly imagine yourself achieving your goals, experiencing your dreams. The subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. It begins to work towards manifesting those visions. Unlocking abundance, the keys to manifesting your desires. One of the most empowering concepts Dr. Murphy presents is the law of attraction. This law states that like attracts like, what you focus on expands. Your thoughts are incredibly powerful. They emit a vibration that attracts similar vibrations back to you. Therefore, focusing on abundance, gratitude, and positivity is crucial. Instead of dwelling on lack, shift your focus to what you're grateful for. Visualize yourself already possessing the things you desire. The universe will conspire to bring those desires into your reality. Rewriting your story. From limiting beliefs to empowering truths. Have you ever noticed recurring patterns in your life? Perhaps you sabotage yourself right before success or struggle to maintain healthy relationships. These patterns often stem from deeply ingrained beliefs held in the subconscious mind. These beliefs, often formed in childhood, act as invisible barriers, limiting your potential. The good news is you have the power to rewrite these limiting beliefs. Through techniques like self-reflection, affirmations, and visualization, you can identify and replace these beliefs with empowering truths. Start by questioning those negative thoughts. Are they really true, or just a reflection of past experiences? Replace those limiting beliefs with affirmations that resonate with your desired reality. The ripple effect. Transforming your health, wealth, and relationships. The power of the subconscious extends to every aspect of your life. Dr. Murphy provides numerous examples of individuals who have healed themselves from illnesses, achieved financial freedom, and transformed their relationships by harnessing the power of their subconscious minds. He emphasizes that true wealth goes beyond money. It encompasses health, happiness, fulfilling relationships, and spiritual well-being. By cultivating a positive and abundant mindset, you attract positive experiences and opportunities in all areas of your life. Remember, your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. Your daily blueprint for success. Practical steps to activate your potential. Ready to embark on this transformative journey? Start by integrating these practical steps into your daily routine. Begin each day with gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. Practice daily affirmations. Choose affirmations that resonate with your goals and repeat them with conviction. Visualize your desired outcomes. Create a vivid mental picture of yourself already living your dream life. Before bed, impress your subconscious mind with positive suggestions. Read or listen to inspiring content. Remember, consistency is key. Just like a muscle, your subconscious mind needs regular exercise to strengthen and transform. Real-life transformations, stories of hope and inspiration. Throughout the power of your subconscious mind, Dr. Murphy shares captivating real-life stories of individuals who have experienced remarkable transformations. From overcoming severe illnesses to achieving financial abundance to finding true love, these stories serve as powerful testaments to the transformative power of the subconscious mind. One story that particularly resonates is that of a woman who healed herself from a debilitating illness by visualizing herself as healthy and whole. Another inspiring story is of a man who overcame poverty by constantly affirming his belief in his ability to create wealth. These stories offer a beacon of hope, demonstrating that no matter your current circumstances, you have the power within to change your life. Embrace the journey, the path to unlocking your greatest self. Unlocking the power of your subconscious mind is not a destination, but a lifelong journey of self-discovery and growth. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. But remember, every experience, positive or negative, is an opportunity for learning and growth. Embrace the journey with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Be patient with yourself. Change takes time and consistent effort. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small, as you continue to nurture your subconscious mind with positive thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. You'll be amazed at the incredible transformation that unfolds. Your power awaits, a call to action. The power to create the life you desire lies dormant within you, waiting to be unleashed. The power of your subconscious mind is more than just a book, it's a call to action. It's an invitation to step into your power, to become the conscious creator of your reality. The journey begins with a single step, the decision to believe in your own potential. Are you ready to unlock the giant within? Your extraordinary life awaits.